Western private military contractors. I don't know how you guys got in that quick. Y'all might want to leave. Unless you want to be door gunners, but I doubt it.
Well, you can drop me off, right, Cole?
Oh yeah, I can drop you off somewhere.
I don't know, man. Yeah, I might as well join another.
That.
Oh, dude, I have so many hundreds of hours on this game, but this is my first time actually doing the heli.
Really? Well, good luck. I'm an amateur myself.
Hey, how close are we on cap?
Where do you need drop off again, Brend?
Alright.
Anywhere, like any good place, you know.
If you have a blueberry, I need a gunner.
How do you switch like places?
I'll drop you off near where Squad 8 is.
Wait, what is it?
Alright, we're not gonna drop any supplies on farm center right now, so just go ahead and drop some.
I'll bring you guys a little further.
Supplies from our lodge, you just better drop them from the helis, and we'll get a pop up.
Is the heli? Yeah, no, I'm just hovering for a squad lead to call me.
Alright, Ford, can I get you on my Bob creation mark?
I gotta find it.
You want 10 anywhere?
Do I want 10?
Roger.
Down. Thank you.
You guys are good to go. I'm hit.
Start moving towards river fortification. My squad's gonna stay here. We'll get this Bob up and go ahead and advance with you guys.
Keep in mind, we've got like a lab or something. I'm taking a little bit of fire.
Heli 4 is out.
Squad 4, I'm gonna come help you repair real quick.
Do you want a radio here?
Command, I'm gonna be, Squad 4 landed a little short. I'm gonna be helping them repair their helicopter.
You're probably gonna need to bring that logi over here.
You guys need supplies?
God damn, I just need a logi for the radio.
Thought I may as well help.
Oh, that's you?
Yeah.
Alright, we should be close enough.
Oh yeah, say local chat. I just hope it levels out after we fix it.
Looking for somewhere.
These helicopters are a little fast. They're not like the Blackhawks. Blackhawks are great to fly. This one, not as much.
Alright, river fortification.
Wait, don't start the engine. Don't start the engine. Oh, there you go. You're good. You're gonna have...
Wait, hold on, let's go.
Oh.
Stand still.
We're gonna pick up this little blueberry on the ground right here.
I would like it.
Y'all need a lift?
Quality.
Oh, are you guys going gunner?
The gun is on your helicopter. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
They could always try to take out the other chopper, but I mean, it's not the wisest.
I mean, we could definitely pull it off if I'm being. I mean, if there's 2 gunners that could do it, it'd probably be snowy and rainy. I'm not gonna lie.
Damn fucking right. Let's see what mischief we can get ourselves into here.
Tough fuck.
Winning supplies, I'm taking shots of them out. I crashed.
Give it go.
We're getting out. We're getting out.
I'll put some good shots into them, boys. I'll put some good shots into them.
Any clue on what it is?
It's fucking APC.
We're against America, right?
Yeah, so I'm assuming it's Bradley.
Bradley or Lab or
You're
something.
about to pick me up. And let me go for you, right?
Enemy Bradley on that marker, just north is accurate.
10-4.
I got eyes on him. He's on this fucking dirt road right here.
Bradley is going to be south of river fortification.
Here, I'm gonna give you. I'll unlock my squad and give you guys FTL. Can you mark the Bradley next time?
Yeah, they are.
What'd you say?
Here, I've unlocked the squad and I'll give you guys FTL so you can mark.
Yeah, you're good, you're good. I just marked it.
Oh, I didn't know you were able to do that. My bad.
Yeah, you're good, you're good. It's because I'm squad lead.
I'm just not quite sure what to do, all things considered. It's not very safe
Yeah,
to drop
I
off
was shooting
supplies.
at him, but I mean, like, I missed probably 80% of the bullets, and the ones I hit did anything. There's a helicopter below us. What the fuck? Oh,
Kind of taking us there.
Bradley's being a real headache.
yeah, you're pointing right at him.
Squad 2. We have you defensive, and we'll need squad 8, and my squad will defend. And we'll
Going
see
to
if we
attack
can get
enemy
squad
heli.
squads to help you guys out. See if we get squad 10.
Let's
Squad
fucking
10
do this,
offensive,
boys.
squad
Right door gunner, be ready.
2 offensive.
I'm ready.
That works.
He's heading back to his base. We'll have to get him another time.
Fucking pussy.
Fur will be airworthy in 6 minutes. I got shot down, didn't crash.
Ordered on the point here.
You're so cool, bro. You're so cool.
Enemy helo, y'all wanna... No, it's landing. I'll put you guys down in this field right here.
What'd you say? I thought I was spraying the fucking car.
Enemy helo, 12 o'clock. Right side gunner, you're gonna be the first one to get a shot on.
Alright, I'm ready.
Fire! It's right there.
My fault, I was still fucking clipping that motherfucker up. I hit her once, I think.
He's smoking a little. He's smoking a little. Right side gunner, go.
I need you to switch the angle. He's smoking, boys.
Alright.
Left side, left side. It's gonna be short.
You better fuck him up. You have the gunner. I see you up there dancing.
Squad 10, what are you seeing?
Right side gunner.
There it is. You can give me a squad. I can go ahead and send a
I'll buzz by and piss them off if y'all want to see where they're at.
You guys got an Abrams coming down that road here eventually.
Yeah, that's what I. Yeah, it's a fucking Abrams.
You're good, you're good, you're good.
Good to go. I'm taking off. Good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, son. Alright, 10, you get an accurate mark on that village. Or is it possible to get a resupply at River Fortification?
Yeah. Name up or give me something to do.
Absolutely.
Okay, I've tried twice to land there and resupply, but I am taking fire from their armor.
See if you can't land. See if you can't land and can you land in the river? You just barely gotta get in that side of it.
Alright.
No kidding, huh?
Yeah, no, I'll try again.
Squad 2, what are you guys doing over there? You guys able to get anything up there?
We're setting a rally up right now.
Heard that.
All 800 ammo successfully dropped.
Thank you.
That's called teamwork, boys.
Indeed. Repeat. I'm bringing half. Wrong chat. I'm bringing half and half. Yeah, yeah. Ammo dropped, heading out.
If y'all want to set up a
I'm where you at here?
You know what's funny? I hit the wrong keybind and lost all control. Fuck these helicopters.
Still got one helo that can set up a northern attack fob.
That's embarrassing.
Trust me, happens all the time.
Yeah, I don't understand controls, so I have it turned off, and I hit the button and lost all control of my fucking helicopter.
Raven, do you think you could pick me up over here at Farmstead in a second?
Will do. I'm gonna reload on supplies for the fob, and I'll head right there.
My timer. I'll be there in a second.
Yeah, Team 4 is probably where I would try to land.
Coming.
You have a gunner, just tell me to unload. You're
Got
the
it,
wrong
my
spot,
bad.
by the way. We need to go. Oh, there we go.
Where are we going, brothers?
Welcome aboard, soldiers.
That was not a nice noise. Do you have a mark for me?
Alright, set her down. Set her down. We might get blown up. Set it down.
Have faith in your weakness.
I'm gonna have to go around. I'm going way too fast. I'm sorry.
Oh, you could have landed. Yeah, I mean, yeah, no, good call. Good call.
Not used to setting it down in such a small area.
You're clear. You're clear.
Wave off, wave off.
Wave off. Wave
Command
off, wave
squad.
Nah! Fuck out of my helicopter! Now! Let's go, let's go, get up! Yeah, no, you could have done better, but you did great.
I was like 90% sure I was gonna crash if I landed then, or tried to land then.
That's what I'm saying. Do you see him hitting the point? Are they accurate?
You do this so much better than me.
I've probably got more flight time than you do.
Crash it, yeah, boom. Yeah, land that bitch on the ground. He's got legs.
I have a drone right over those borders. I'll let you know. Here, let me see if I can get you a good spot.
Patient.